Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Are you tired of your vacuum cleaner losing suction just when you need it the most? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery behind why your vacuum cleaner may be losing its suction power. By understanding the common issues and their solutions, you'll be able to maintain peak performance and keep your home clean effortlessly. So, let's jump right in. Please check the description link, I will provide detailed information. We rely on our vacuum cleaners to pick up dirt, debris, and allergens from our floors, but when they lose suction, it can be frustrating and make cleaning tasks much harder. Let's explore the top reasons why your vacuum cleaner may be experiencing a loss of suction. One of the primary causes of suction loss is clogged filters. Over time, the filters in your vacuum can become filled with dust, pet hair, and other particles. When this happens, air cannot flow freely through the machine, leading to reduced suction power. Regularly cleaning or replacing the filters is essential to maintain optimal performance. Another culprit behind suction loss is blockages within the vacuum cleaner's hose or attachments. Small objects, such as coins, hairpins, or even excessive debris, can get stuck in the hose or attachment, obstructing the airflow. Inspecting and clearing any blockages can restore the suction power to its full potential. Now that you understand the common causes behind a vacuum cleaner's loss of suction, you can take proactive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.